so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive ride, you're dynamite, but now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out.
Well guys, we are back and it is a beautiful, cold, it's actually not that cold, but it's Saturday on January 12th, 11th, something like that. We unfortunately did not win the Street Speed 717 giveaway. I was probably disqualified from my video. Actually, I think that's impossible because my video was posted strategically and I didn't get the box till the next day, and then they did say that all entries were submitted on an Instagram post like the day before. So anyways guys, short one today. We're just going to get our new axle. That is correct. I want to re-gear rexus. I'm not happy with the 411s. I want to go down to at least a 488, but I might go back to a 529. And we are stealing parts from another Landcruiser. So that'll kind of give you a hint, if you know Landcruiser axles well enough, what kind of a Landcruiser we're after. It is a front axle. I'm very happy with the rear setup. We're just on the way to my buddy's place, and we're exchanging services. Essentially, I'm going to do some filming for them this year, get them some exposure, and help get them some people out racing. So we'll be there shortly, and I'll try and take some video, guys. It's of us just getting the axle out, but I doubt we will. So this is going to be part one of rexus upgrades. Historically speaking, my shop videos with rexus haven't done well, but I want to get more 4x4 content. It's the cold months. I'm out wheeling a ton right now. I have some other things to deal with first. So anyways, stay tuned. We'll be back shortly. Welcome back. We are back in the garage. We're going to be working on our new series, the FJ60, so the Toyota 9.5 center, and we're actually going to build an extension for it, and on top of that we're also going to use the 80 series outer. So we're building kind of an FJ60/FJ80 hybrid axle. We're going that route instead of a 1-ton, and this video is kind of going to break down why we've decided to go this route, and moving forward how we're going to achieve this in an economical fashion.
Thought that we would last forever, Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who can make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts to break the nights. I need to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño.
Well guys,
Just like the BC trip, how many freaking pee pictures there was of me. That's Kyle peeing again. Fuck off!
we got the 60 axle up here, and part of the reason I went this way is you can actually see the third itself. The ring and pinion's massive on these things. Like, it's actually a hair larger than a Dana 60 up front, which is huge.
I didn't know that.
That's why a lot of people don't underestimate this diff.
Wait, Dana 60 is like 9.25.
9.25, yeah.
These are what, 9.5?
9.5,
Oh.
yeah. So we're draining water. So there's not a ton of diff fluid in there, but we're gonna get set up here, guys, and see why I'm switching to this pumpkin rather than just going to a 9.5. To be honest, I can kind of keep my stock steering set up. All this has got to get cut off. Every mount is going to have to get cut off because we're likely going to just 3-link. And then Nick's going to end up taking everything to do with the current steering on it because it's not going to work for me whatsoever.
Control. to know who you're sleeping next to. Tell me what you're up to. Takes on you.
Well, guys, she's all torn down. Nick needed the whole entire steering set up for it. And you can see nice big old pinion. That's probably about the size of a pinion. I wish. But a little bit of a nice little find. And it's hard to tell, but there's actually a locker in it. Unfortunately for my power output, it's not going to work. So Nick just scored himself a nice little locker for his FJ40 that I'm sure we're going to see. But that's it, guys, for tonight. You can kind of tell we've got this thing torn down as much as I want. The next phase is going to be grinding down welds here, well, cutting the welds at least, cutting all the mounting brackets off of it, and then getting the axle cleaned up and ready for measurements, sleeving, gusseting, all the wonderful stuff. You guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, thanks for making it to the end. It means a lot. I'm going to go over what's on my head. We have some Running Joe off-road embroidered hats. The flex fits are going to be in the $35 to $40 margin. They're going to come in a small medium combo and a large XL combo. So they only, and by combo I mean that's the size. So there's only one hat. It's a small medium and the other hat's a large XL. And that's on the flex fit, and again, it's going to be that $35 to $40 region. I'm just finalizing the prices. If I buy enough, will be in the $35 region. I also do have a flex fit version, and obviously the Running Joe off-road on the back will be just elevated. And if we want a flat brim, which won't be a flex fit because they get really expensive, I will need to know. So you guys got to let me know in the comments below if what hat you're after, or in the Facebook thread that I'm going to post up this weekend as well. Guys, if you are not local to me, I can ship the hats. So if you are in the US, I need you to email me at runningjoeoffroad or runningjoeor@gmail.com. And we can work out a price, and I'll take I will take PayPal, and we'll figure it out. If you're anywhere in Canada, same thing, PayPal. E-transfer also works as well, guys. So thanks for making it to the end, guys. It means a lot. We got more video content coming. Anybody that was looking for Revelstoke content, I'm sorry, things just didn't work out. Family reasons, we didn't even end up going. So I am going out sledding this weekend with a larger group, so I'm going to try and get a lot of content. I am learning a lot of new things with snowmobiling, that being battery life is nowhere near what they were. I might try and pick up a newer GoPro, which might hopefully lead to longer filming times. So anyways, guys, you take care. I'll see you in the next one.